Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How are we all doing today? Happy weekend to you all. If you're new in this channel, please subscribe to the channel. If you're returning subscribers, I welcome you back. Thank you for coming back. Please like the video, share and comment so that YT will know that people that watch the videos are human beings. Yes guys, I have a very important information to share with us. A lot is going on in southeast Nigeria, which is Biafra land. People seem not to understand what is going on. If you can recall that when Simon Ekpa was saying that sit at home must continue, some Igbo politicians and some people who are in DOS trying to use every tactics to shut down this sit at home, and they don't want to listen to the reason why this sit at home is being asked to continue. They don't want to know the reason why Simon Ekpa insists on sit at home. Some of us knows that sit at home is because of Martin Amadukano, who has been detained in DSS dungeon, and they use some people use sit at home to call for release of Martin Amadukano. Many people, especially the politicians, have gone as far as using Namodekano lawyers and people from eastern part of Nigeria, from Igbo land, some Igwes and some well-respected individuals. They have been, used to see if sit at home will be, shut down, if they will end this at home. But it did not succeed. The reason, one of the reasons they mention is that it's destroying the economy of Southeast. That the Southeast economy is being destroyed by with the sit at home and all that. But what they don't understand is that people they are talking to also knows what is what, knows which is which, know the truth and the facts behind the sit at home and the economy of Igbo land and the entire Southeast. Most of the reason they use is that people who are selling, selling business, some like people like petty traders, people that are selling bread, roadside traders and all that, they cannot afford to miss one day without selling things to feed their family. So the belief is that the people that are selling things, those small shops owners and people selling things, roadside traders, that they don't have anything to feed on if they couldn't sell anything in a day. So they're using that to justify the call off of sit at home and all that. Of course, some people believe that, some people bought the idea that sit at home is not good for Igbos, that is not good for Biafrans, that the sit at home must be stopped. Although they tried all their means, they tried all their could, but it didn't succeed. After using even some Igwe, some well-respected people from Igbo lands, some politicians, some of them claim to have visited in Americano, and in Americano instructed them to pass information to the public that sit at home is not good, that the American is comfortable in the DSS dungeon, that all he cares now is to make sure that the politicians are well respected, that politicians are well recognized, that nobody should talk bad about them, that they are doing the needful for the masses. All of a sudden, American turned to a lover of politicians in Nigeria. Not that he hates politics, but he don't like injustice and corruption. But what they're trying to tell you and tell us now is that Namadikano don't care, that he's no longer seeing the corruption in their activities, that he is now in love with them, they should respect him, nobody should do anything against them, don't even talk bad about them and all that. After reading that long piece of notes from probably from one of the Igbo politicians, read by Aloy Ejimako, and some of them also says that the Namor Kano told them directly, and they have to pass the information. They are making it look like Namor Kano is the one instructing them on what to say. Some of them came out and said that Namor Kano even Namor Kano was crying, saying that he's not happy with what is going on and all that somebody must stop. A lot went on and it's still going on, but it seems like they have found out that those information doesn't carry any water. Nobody is taking it serious. So I think they have learned their lessons from that. But the issue here is this video that I am about to play for you to watch is a road that leads from Anambra to Imo State. Erosion have destroyed this road. You can see how it is, how bad, how dangerous it is. This is not the only one in eastern part of Nigeria. If you check the road that leads to Enugu to Anambra, is almost the same thing. But this one happened yesterday. The road decided to, break into two, cut off into two, and luckily enough, no car was caught in the midst of this mess, and no soul was lost. Nobody, it was injured. But as it is now, there's no road, motorable or good enough to connect these two states.
Lelia, today 22. Car road are breaking this afternoon. Lelia, oh, rift. Lelia break go this afternoon. The first road they break, the second road they break go too. So see go slow and no road to pass. See the road they break going to two. Yeah, man, this afternoon. Come back, but today go break the road. See the go slow. See the go slow. The road they break going to two. The road they break going to two. I can see the hole. See, and this afternoon call Kerman. There, see. They let the hole. Today 22. There, Chile follow break. Chile follow break. Chile follow break. The road cut into two. The road break into two. Oh, yeah, la full Igbo. Life and direct today 22. For ya? Yeah, I'm black here more. I was.
And this happened in Eastern region, where these governors are trying to tell you that the problem of Southeast is sit at home, which just started a few years ago. So this road is not a problem. No, it's not a problem. They're okay with it, and you should not mention about it. This is just one in a million. I don't want to talk about a hospital within this, this region. In this region, I don't want to talk about the state hospital. If you happen to know what is going on in state hospital in those states, in Anambra, Imo, Enugu, Abia, Ebonyi, if you happen to know or see the state of the condition of the state hospitals, I don't want to talk about the schools like primary schools, secondary schools. If you see the health condition of those facilities, in those hospitals and schools, you will cry, you will shed tears. But the strength and power and force they have used in campaigning against it at home is more powerful than attention they pay in those areas. They don't want to talk about it, and they don't want you even to discuss about it. Now the road has decided to, say something by itself. Nature now came upon it, because don't tell me that before this road cut off like this, there must series of signs. There must be series of signs, giving warning to the states that these things could happen anytime, any day. They don't care. Just like the second Niger bridge, even the first and the second one, nobody knows what is going on there. It's only God that is saving our people. It's only God. Our government, our political leaders and religious leaders, traditional leaders, they are all corrupt. All in the same. They are not. You cannot rely on any of them or believe what they're saying. It is a total mess. Very, very big mess. I just want to share this video for you to know that we have a lot to do in eastern part before talking about a sit at home. The sit at home is a wake-up call to politicians to do the needful, not only to release them as an American, but to checkmate on the activities and what they're doing. Some of them don't even know what their job is. Some governors don't even know. If you ask them, what do you have to do? What are you expected to do for your people? They don't have any answer. All they want is to be in convoy, to use their silence, move around, intimidate people, scare people away, show off that they are now in power, that without them nothing can be done, that they are the alpha and omega of the state. If you talk nonsense, they will get you. If you talk, they will get you arrested. They will detain you. They will buy you and all that. That's all they think that the job is all about. And most of us, common people, ordinary people in the street, don't even want to know, check on what these people are supposed to give to them. This road is one of the nonsense that they are bringing to the people. If you know the number of women dying in childbirth in Southeast, you will shed tears. We are losing our women. Our pregnant women are dying because of what? Poor facilities they put in their hospitals. For you to give proper birth, to give birth in Nigeria, not only in Southeast, you have to look for a private hospital. If you can mention any government hospital in the entire Southeast that you can be proud of, that you will rely, you can trust, and say, you can beat your chest and say, okay, if I go here, I will get what I want. That you are sure that these people will offer you a very good healthcare system that will befit your family, that you will benefit from. Please, if you have any of that, any hospital in Southeast that you can be proud of, that owned by government, please drop it in the comment section. I would like to know more about that, because I have not seen. I've tried to research. I have not seen any good hospital in the entire Southeast. Let me not make this video too long. I need to end it here. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.